The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is definitely up there at the top of my list of one of the best smartphones to come out in 2025. And I know we're right at the very beginning, but I think you should consider purchasing the S25 Ultra. And that's starting things off with the battery life. Now, there may be people commenting, oh, well, it has the same battery capacity as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it has the same charging speeds as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That is true. It does. It has the same 5,000 milliamp hour battery, it has the same 45 wire charging, but it performs better. The battery life, day-to-day use, has been awesome, phenomenal. It lasts longer than the already great Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm easily getting 6.5, 7 hours of screen on time. I mean, as of right now, I did end up charging this for the video. I have 81% right now, but I was using it pretty much all day. It's 9:19 p.m. at the time of this recording, and by the time it was like 7:30, I was down to, what, 45%, and it was going very well. And it charges pretty decently fast. I mean, 45 watts isn't the fastest compared to like the OnePlus 13 that has 80 watts wire charging here in the US, but it's still pretty decent fast. But the thing that I like about it is it'll last me all day. I don't need to worry about charging. Again, like I said, I only charge it for the purpose of this video, but normally I don't charge it when I go to bed. I wake up in the morning and that's when I end up charging the device. It lasts me, like I said, all day. And if you're a heavy user like myself, and what I mean by that is you're watching lots of YouTube videos, you're using this display quite often, you're outdoors, or you're browsing the web, you're playing lots of intensive games, Call of Duty Mobile, Clash of Clans, the Pokemon TCG Pocket, whatever it may be, using it for TikTok, for Threads, for X, for a new app called Flip, which is pretty decent. So definitely be sure to check out Flip. I am present on there as well. For other miscellaneous things, the battery life is going to last you all day. In fact, I call this one of the phones where, like, I don't need to worry about bringing a portable charger with me. But if I have my iPhone 16 Pro, for example, or even last year when I had the 15 Pro Max, that was terrible, by the way, the battery life at least, I would have to bring a portable charger if I'm going somewhere far, if I'm traveling, whatever it may be. But with this S25 Ultra, I know that when I do go on a trip, I don't need to bring a portable charger with me, or if I'm outside all day, I don't need to worry about running back home to charge up and juice up my phone. So that's, again, just like my experience with this, but some other people might have different experience and thoughts, but this is what I've seen, and it's just continuing with each and every single iteration. And also the Snapdragon 8 Elite does play a role, the optimization does play a role with that. And also the fact that we're getting a 40% larger vapor chamber, which does help with heat dissipation. That also is a part and plays a role in having better battery life. But that's gonna lead me into the performance. Samsung devices perform awesome, and especially in the past couple years, they've really tuned their software, they've really cleaned it up. If you guys know, TouchWiz UI back in the day, oh, it was rough. It was absolutely rough. And my first Android device was a Samsung Galaxy S Blaze. And while I love that phone, it was just, the UI was terrible. It was clunky, it was full of bloatware, it was pretty bad. So having great performance with the optimization of the latest chipset here on the S25 Ultra has been a plus for me. One UI 7, beautiful user interface change up. I like it. I really do like what Samsung has been doing in the software and the performance department. So it comes, so again, Snapdragon 8 Elite, 12 gigs of RAM. My model here has half a terabyte of storage. You can pick up a model with 1 terabyte, but for me, 512 gigs is perfectly fine. It's more than plenty for me, at least. But again, you have a 256 gig model too, or if you need the most storage, you have a 1 terabyte. But day-to-day performance, again, no lag, no stutters, no issues whatsoever. It's pretty much tackled everything I've thrown at it. Again, from watching YouTube. For me, it's watching lots of YouTube videos and mainly multitasking, kind of. I'll have a YouTube video running, and then in the background while I'm, browsing on X or Threads, TikTok, I can't do TikTok and YouTube videos at the same time, but, browsing the web and all that good stuff. And no issues, no problems. Call of Duty and Clash of Clans has been also great on the S25 Ultra, as expected, and it doesn't get warm to the touch either. The only time, and I like to note this, the only time that it got warm to the touch was during the setup process, and that is to be expected. Now, the third reason I think you should pick it up is going to be cameras. There is one downside that Samsung did not fix in my experience with the S25 Ultra coming from the S24 Ultra, but I'm going to get to that in a moment because everything else about the cameras have been phenomenal. So you're still getting the 200 megapixel camera, main camera, which is awesome. If you need more detailed photos and results, you're getting that right here. You're also getting 100x zoom, which honestly has been getting better every single year. This year is even better. And believe me when I say you're gonna miss 100x zoom if you use this phone and switch to a different one. You're gonna really want every phone to have 100x zoom. It really does come in handy. And when I go on future trips, I know that the phone I'm gonna bring with me is gonna be the Galaxy S25 Ultra because of those 100x zoom photos. And also, just the daily photos. They're really vibrant. Again, you can't go wrong with them. And not only that, there's a new 50 megapixel ultra wide. So again, you're getting more detailed ultra wide photos and ultra wide results. And for me, I think that's important because I've been using the ultra wide camera on my smartphones more and more over time. So having a more detailed result with an ultra wide shot is going to be a good plus for me, and I'm sure for a lot of people. The one downside is going to be the shutter lag. It's still there. The shutter lag is still there. Like, if you want to take a photo of something moving real quick, good luck. I tried it. It's not great at all. Like, if you want to take something still, like you want to take a photo of this case right here, it's awesome like that. Or if you're going sightseeing and you're taking a photo of a tree or a monument or whatever it is, something that's not moving, it's fine. Or if you're taking like a family portrait, whatever it may be, that's okay. But as soon as you start to take pictures while you're out on the road, or while you're trying to take pictures of your cat or your dog or whatever it may be, or if you have a little kid who's always moving, good luck, because it's not going to be the greatest. Sometimes you'll see it'll come out all blurry and things like that. So that's the one downside of the camera. But the results, both in photo and video, is a plus. And I do like to add, Samsung has added log video recording. So for those who are going to take more professional photos, or not photos, but professional videos, and for those who want to get into content producing, this is going to be a great phone to do that. But yeah, so far my use with the Galaxy S25 Ultra has been phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. I will be leaving a link in the description down below for this case right here. This is from ESR. It's one of my favorite cases right now for the S25 Ultra. First of all, it's clear, it has MagSafe, and it is quite durable, and I'm rocking this case as my main case right now. And also, let me know if you want to see this type of wallpaper drop, and we'll make it happen. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.